This tutorial will walk you through printing a work request. So look in your Craftsperson bucket and launch the maintenance console. First, you need to find the work request you wish to print, and you can do that by either expanding one of these status sections and scrolling down to find it, or you can use these filter fields at the top to narrow down the list. You can also click the More button, which will provide you additional filter fields to search by. So if, for example, you know the work request code, you can come here to this work request code field, type it in, and hit the filter button, and it will restrict your list to show only that work request. You may know the building and the room number, so you can enter any combination of these fields and hit filter if you wish. Or again, you can hide these filter fields by clicking the Less button and search for the request by opening one of the status sections in your maintenance console. So let's say, for example, I wish to print this work request here. I can simply tick this box next to the work request number and come up to the Export button. Now there are several options here. These four at the bottom that say docx selected or PDF selected will export only the work request that I have selected here, that I've put a check mark next to. These first two options will export the entire list of work requests that are in my maintenance console. So I'll click Export to XLS simply to show you what that would look like. And I'll see a link come up at the bottom here that I need to click to launch Microsoft Excel. And then I'll see all of the work requests grouped by status, exactly the way they are laid out in my maintenance console. I'll close that for now and go back to Archibus. So again, if I wanted to print just this one work request, I come up to Export, and then I can choose whether I want this in a Word document format, that's docx, or an Adobe PDF format. Doesn't matter, whichever you prefer is fine. So for example, let's click docx selected with the work request details. Wait till this says job complete 100%, and this link will become enabled. So click the link and then click down here to launch the Word document. And there you'll see the work request form that you're used to seeing. If the requester submitted this request with a photo attached to it, it will push through to the Word document or the PDF. And from here, you simply go File, Print, and print your request. Close that for now and show you the last option that you have here. If you come back to Export, if you wanted the floor plan of where this request is located, you can choose either docx selected work request with floor plans or PDF, again depending whether you prefer a Word document or PDF format. So let's click docx here. And then click the link once you see job complete 100% and launch the Word document. So this will show you an image of the floor plan for the work request with the room number highlighted that the work request pertains to. And again, you can come up to File and Print if you wish to print this, or you can click Share if you wish to email it to someone. Go to Share, Email, Send as Attachment. That will launch Microsoft Outlook, and you can send that as an attachment to yourself or to somebody else. That's it. That's how you print a work request. Thanks so much for watching.